Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be talking about my favorite fashion trends of 2020. Well, I know that with this whole COVID situation going on, we're not able to wear our favorite clothes right now, but hopefully the situation will get better eventually and we will be able to step out rocking some of the coolest fashion trends of the year. So out of all the biggest fashion trends that we saw on the runways and red carpets for the Spring-Summer 2020 collection, I had shortlisted 5 of my favorites that I think are quite unique and totally wearable. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and it helps you get inspired to try something new this year. And if you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you could take a little time to hit that red subscribe button down below and the bell notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And on that note, let's get started. Faux leather has never been bigger or more fun. We saw colorful leather take over the Spring 2020 runways, and it's said to be one of the year's biggest ready-to-wear trends. I adopted this trend with this beautiful pastel pink faux leather jacket and skirt set. To keep the look simple, I just styled it with a plain white crop top and strappy sandals. I am all in for quad sets right now, but if you're not comfortable with wearing the whole set, you can just take either the jacket or bottoms in colored leather and pair it with your favorite basics to look on trend. Take it back to the 18th century with the Victorian-inspired puff sleeves. According to the runways, this bold silhouette will be better than ever this year. And my favorite piece has been this black top with puffy sleeves and asymmetric neckline. Since the top is super feminine, I like to balance it off with these casual ripped denims for a daytime look. Whether the puff is focused on your shoulder or more gradual down your arm, it's a flattering style for all body types, adding drama and volume to your shoulder, giving the illusion of a smaller waist, plus it adds an instant feminine touch to the outfit. Show off some skin with one of this year's coolest trends, sheer layers. Made of all see-through materials like tulle or chiffon, these airy looks are full of romance. I bought this beautiful pastel blue sheer dress a couple of months back and literally can't wait to wear it outside. With ruffles, long sleeves and lots of layers, the sheer look oozes high fashion vibes. And whether you layer a sheer shirt over simple slips or camis or go all out with a dress like this, it's a great way to play with silhouettes and fabrics. Another fashion trend that we'll be seeing all over in 2020 are polka dots. Polka dots have actually been a staple print, but brands have taken it to the next level this year by mixing them with ruffles, puff sleeves, and anything eccentric. So I got this classic black and white wrap polka dot top with big poofy sleeves and styled it with black pencil skirt and black pumps. You can wear these spotty prints on dresses or pair such dramatic blouses with shorts, denims or skirts for those vintage vibes with a modern twist. Side slits are climbing real high for the year 2020, bringing a whole new wave of sexiness to your skirts and dresses. Like this green midi skirt, which you must have seen me wearing a couple of times earlier. Right now I've styled it with a bralette and blazer, but you can obviously pair such skirts with different tops and shoes depending on your mood and occasion. This effortless cut is perfect for flashing some leg, besides keeping you cool when the temperature starts to rise. And that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did, and do let me know in the comment section below which of these outfits was your favorite and which of these fashion trends are you planning to include in your wardrobe this year. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, or you can subscribe by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here, and also hit the bell notification button, very important. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.